Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle True SS car, matching numbers, 454 LS5, 365 horsepower. This car is I'm going to call it a body-up restoration. It has been repainted. This is the original color combination, placer gold. It has all the original black vinyl interior in it. Car only has 55,000 actual miles on it. But again, it has been repainted. Motor's been apart, been gone through just a standard rebuild. It does have the hardened valve seats to run on pump gas. But car has all the original body panels. We checked all the running gear. Again, the engine is matching numbers. It's got a 400 turbohydramatic trans in it, but it is not the original trans, but it does have the original 12-bolt rear end in it. Great car, runs and drives excellent, loaded up with options. It's an air car. You can see it's got the flapper hood on it. That is functional, and it's a factory tach and gauges car. Pretty car. The car's out of Florida. Again, good solid body with all the original body panels. There's not much you can really pick in the paint. There's a couple little, there's a little touch-up mark I'll show you here on the fender. I think this is the original front bumper. It shows a little patina there. But very nice. Beautiful paint. The only thing I really seen, there's a touch-up mark you can see there where they might have scratched the front fender. It's got all the black Super Sport striping on it. Pretty car. Not a whole lot you can really nitpick on this car, guys. This is very, very nice car. And as you know, it's not real easy to find these numbers matching 454 cars with air. A little scratching there in the window. See, all the trim's real nice. Pretty car. They've replaced this back bumper. See, the car's nice and straight down the sides. Got the correct SS rally wheels on it. Love this car. And I'm telling you, want to talk about a nice running and driving car? This thing's just a sweetheart, man. Little baby doll. Goes down the road just as sweet as can be. Little touch-up mark on the door there. Again, other than that, there's not a whole lot you can really pick at on the car. Like all of them, you can pick something, but it's got the factory front disc brakes. I like the 71s because I like the front marker lights. Again, matching numbers, LS5, 454 car, 365 horse. It's got an Edelbrock 4-barrel in it, stock intake. It's got a set of Hedman ceramic headers, power steering, power front disc brakes, and factory AC. And yes, the air does work, guys. 400 turbohydramatic trans. Flapper hood works. Got a bunch of new stuff, guys. I know that we got really slim on inventory there, but I bought 15 this past weekend, so we've got a bunch of new stuff coming. So make sure you're watching that website. These are the original door handles. We've got a brand new set that comes with the car too. This is all your factory interior on this car. It's an excellent. The car's got the original carpet. Shows a little fading, but you can see still very nice. Got the factory black rubber floor mats in it, bucket seats, console. You can see a little wear here, but that's the original interior. 55,000 original miles on this car. Tilt wheel. Got the SS steering wheel. Factory tach and gauges. 55,961 on the odometer. AM, FM radio works. It's even got the old style Stewart water gauges underneath the dash. It's 12-bolt rear end, 331 gear, rear sway bar. Just look how nice this car is, though, man. It's such a pretty car. Factory jack with the spare. Again, it's all original panels in here. It's all spackle painted in the trunk. They painted the heartbeat plate. We figured we'd let that go with it. Good car though, man. Really good car. You see they replaced the fuel tank. Car's run. The floors are nice. They have done some front end work to it. I saw it's got new ball joints and stuff like that. Great car. It's got all the factory correct seat belts in it. A little crack in the top of that steering wheel. Even the clock works, guys. Have Jay fired up. Again, both the door handles, they're showing their age, but we ordered new ones for it. And your flapper hood closes. That'll rev it pretty good to get the click back open. But Jay just clicked the air on. Air does blow cold. That is a pretty car. Back works. Even the clock works. Oh, your gauges are functional. Even that stuff down there is working. Radio does work. Blower motor works, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Matter of fact, we're getting ready to launch a new website here in the next couple of days. Make sure you're looking out for that. Another way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page, or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give my guys a call, call Leroy, call Jay. You can do that at 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.